Daily math review number 1. So we're going to place the following integers, or the numbers, on the number line. Then we're going to place them in order from least to greatest. So we're going to take these numbers and we're going to put them on the number line. We do have 0 here, and we have 1 all the way over here, and -1 all the way over here. When we take a look at this, let's see how many spaces are in between 0 and 1 to figure out how much each of those tick marks are. So here's 1, 2, 3 spaces, 4 spaces, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces, 9 spaces, 10 spaces. So since there are 10 spaces in between each of these tick marks are going to be 1/10. So that would be 1/10. This would be 2/10. When you do 1 divided by 10 in your calculator, you will get 0.1. If you do 2 divided by 10 in your calculator, you will get 0.2, or 2/10. Just like we read it, 1/10. There's 1/10, 1 past that decimal. 2/10. 2/10. So let's take a look at our plotting here. So we're going to plot 1/10. Oh, we just did that 1/10. I'm going to get rid of those. Perfect. So here's that 1/10. Positive direction, 1/10. I'm also going to write 1/10 here, so I know I did plot that. Just for me to help me put them in order when we do down here. All right, then we have -1/4. So we did this one. -1/4, or -1 and 4/10. Ooh, so -1. So we're gonna go -1. So we go -1. Whoop, from 0. Sorry. -1, and then we're gonna go 4 more tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4. So -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our -1 and 4/10 is gonna be over here on that left. So it's 4 tick marks past the 1. All right, now -0 and 10. Oh my goodness, -0 and 7/10. Woo, tongue twister there. All right. Oh, so I did do this one. Perfect. All right, let's do that -7/10. So we're actually gonna go -7 from 0. So we're gonna go -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7/10. -0 and 7/10. Get rid of our little lines there. Perfect. Okay, so we're done with that one. Now let's do 1 and 2/10. So we're going to go 1 whole, 1/10, 2/10. So here's 1 and 2/10. 1 and 2/10, 1.2. Last but not least, we are going to do 5/10. So we're going to go 5 tick marks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right in the middle, 5/10 here. And that is all of our plotting points. Now we're going to place the numbers in order from least to greatest. Least to greatest. So what we're going to look at here is, well, we know that least is going to be down here because it's in the negative, and the greatest is going to be over up to the right. Greatest. All right, so I don't like how. There we go. All right, so that least, the smallest number is -1.4, or -1 and 4/10. Then we're gonna have -0 and 7/10. Then we're gonna have 1/10, and then 5/10. Whoa, 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 my bad. 5/10. And then move these over. Then we're gonna have 1 and 2/10. So that is going to be it for our placing in order from least to greatest, or smallest to biggest. And that's it for our DMR number 1. Great job.